Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Check it out.
Okay, so today we have a Porsche Cayman
Cayman S.
This one is nice car. Quite like it. Robin quite fancies one of these, but
I really like it
yeah,
a lot.
maybe not just yet. So it's running, it's driving, but it's got a engine management light on and not sounding too good. So we'll just do a quick start. I don't want to run it for too long. We'll just do a quick start.
You can definitely hear the misfire.
And then if you look in here, you've got engine management light and check engine visit workshop. So I'm going to just have a listen to the back before we turn it off. So first thing we're going to do with this one is get the trusty hotel and get a scan. So I've just plugged the dongle in down there, and we will get the ignition on and start searching. Get rid of some heaters. Oh, do we get rid of them? That's them. Why is it not showing it yet? It's not popping up, is it?
Do you want to know my reason why?
Because I plugged it in too early.
Because you plugged it in, turned the car on, turned the car off, and didn't unplug it.
All right. Where's Porsche? Come on. I just wish they'd used the badges of the vehicle. It's one thing I don't like about the hotel.
Again, I'm saying nothing. No, it's not a Bugatti.
Definitely not.
I saw the finger hovering. No, that's out of our league for a long time.
Really? It's close. It's
Very
close.
close. But no cigar. Front faults.
You might as well come back in 10 minutes.
10 hours later, we're back.
We are. Tank vent system, misfire, check some error, and misfire cylinder 3. So first thing I'll do with this one is get to number cylinder 3 and where's the coil at, see what's going on. We might swap the coil from cylinder 2 to cylinder 3 and just see if the fault transfers.
Okay.
So if we just go through some of the others, you've just got a few lights out, bits and bobs, but these can all be old faults. So what I'd do is I'd always clear everything and then start from scratch and see what comes back. So yeah, let's crack on.
Do we think it sounds worse than it did? I think it does. Just needs to be a little bit louder.
No.
Yes.
Doesn't need to be any louder.
It does. It does.
So we're just trying to determine which cylinder is number 3.
But in the meantime, I'm daydreaming watching Matt Armstrong rebuilding a Porsche Cayman S.
Why are you watching it?
Because it's a Porsche Cayman S, and I actually really like them. I think I'm just sold on Porsche in general.
Cylinder 3. Hasn't picked up another one yet. Right, you jump in there.
Literally jump in, or are you going to drop it down for me?
Back out we go. Watch your door. Spaces. What? Okay. Yeah. Now that's successful. Now we just need to insert it in wood. Okay. Now that's all. Start it up again.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So I go light back up.
Nope.
Do one more.
Ready?
Fix it. All I've done is unplug a coil. Okay, stop.
Yep. Engine management lights back on.
Okay, so that's cylinder one. So the one that I've got unplugged is the one nearest the front of the car on this side. So that is cylinder one. So we know it's the one at the back. So we can take that coil out, have a look at it, take the spark plug out and see what's going on.
Sounds like a plan. I'll just sit here and wait then, yeah.
Now you can clear all the faults and get out.
You have to let me down to get out though.
Okay, so if you look under here, you can see the ignition coils. So that one there is number 3. And then the one which I've unplugged is the one down here. Don't know if you can see that. So that is over there.
Yep.
So that one is unplugged. So we'll put that back together now. But that indicated which one was number 3 for us.
Yep.
Okay, so we have the coil removed, which was down here. So I've removed the coil from here, and I've also removed the spark plug. This is the spark plug. As you can see, it doesn't look that old. These were apparently replaced 2 years ago. Now these are long life spark plugs, so I would have said they'll be every 5 years or 50,000 miles, roughly around about that. So I'm not going to rush to change the plugs because obviously they're not a 5-minute job on one of these. But this is the ignition coil, and as you can see, well, obviously I've removed it. You can see here it's got a little bit of cracking, and it actually looks like it comes down here as well. So I think that is what's causing the problem. I wonder if it's got a crack, it's got a little bit of water in, or it's just arcing out. But yeah, so we've got the ignition coil here. There's a new one on its way, so we'll get that in and get it all back together. Okay, so we now have our nice new ignition coil. So we will get that all installed, and then we'll give it a good few road tests, make sure everything's okay, and go for it. Okay, so new coil is in. Let's see if it runs. You cleared all the faults a minute ago, so there shouldn't be any in it.
Oh, now that's the noise I like.
That's just his exhaust shield rattling, I think. But it's not juddering or anything,
No,
is it?
it's not juddering, it's not misfiring, it sounds nice.
Yeah. So, a couple of road tests, reread, and job done.
Sounds good.
That'll do for today.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.
The first thing we're going to do with this one is misfire. You can see the ignition coils. So we will get that all